What's up, kid? Too technical. I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, Iblason was kind enough to send me out their RMAG case in navy for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So we're just gonna unbox this and try it on the device, and I'll walk you through it. So this is what it looks like. It's navy, so you get two tones of blue. As you can see, this is a two-part case, and it also comes with a plastic screen protector. As you can see that, I'm not really a fan of that, but it is what it is. So pretty much you want to pick up your iPhone 15 Pro Max, throw it in like so. That's what it will look like. And then you want to place the back end like so, and just like that, no problem, your phone is good and protected. So if you're out there and you want something that gives you a lot more protection than just having on a regular case, this is the way to go. But you want to make sure you get all this lip in those grooves so it will close. As you can see, it's not in the grooves quite, but you want to make sure you can get this around here inside of the grooves, because if you don't, then it does not look right. I'm having trouble, so I'm gonna just leave it like that. But just know, when you get this case, you want to get the grooves all. You want to make sure that this case is sitting in the grooves. I'm having a hard time, but it does say Iblason on this side. It says Iblason. At the top here, you do get some, I call these feet for corner drop protection, so you do not have to worry about your phone dropping on the table. You will be good to go. Over here, you do get a nice button for your power. That's for your power button, nice and clicky. Down here, you get access for your mic, your speakers, your USB-C charging cable, and you should be able to charge your device with no problem, just like that. On this side here, you do get access to your action button, which is actually a button. I like that. As you can see, that's what that looks like. You get your volume up and down button, which is nice and clicky. On the back here, you get a nice cutout for your camera. You get your MagSafe ring. You get little feet here for drop protection. And when it sits on the table, you do not have to worry about it touching the camera, because those feet are stopping it. So now let's test out wireless charge. Test out MagSafe, which I know it's going to work because it's MagSafe capable. We'll drop it on there, and it works just like that. But don't worry, if you do not have a MagSafe capable charger, you will still be able to wireless charge your device. And if you do not have a wireless charger, then you can go the old route with your USB cable. So pretty much I'll drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.